Simple, everyday, easy meals. Slow cook sensations take a long time to cook, but very little work. Crowd-pleasing feasts. Recipes that relieve the stress of the kitchen and evoke the tastes and comfort of home. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making Dan noodles. These are a really fiery Chinese noodle dish and they are my absolute favourite noodles. So get on with the sauce. I'm going to start off with 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Tablespoon of dark soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of tahini. You need this at room temperature, otherwise you just break a spoon trying to get it out. And if you can't get this, you could always just use some peanut butter. It's not quite the same, but it's not that different. This, after all, is just a sesame seed paste, and peanut butter, obviously enough, is not that far away from that. Get a bit of it in there, and just the tiniest drop of toasted sesame oil, and I mean just a tiny drop. 2 tablespoons of chili oil, and this is loaded with chili. If you have just got a plain chili oil, you could of course just add some chili flakes to your oil. Let's give that a quick stir together. Smells divine. Quick taste. Oh, it's hot. So guys, for the pork part of the noodle dish, I've got here 250 grams of minced pork, which I have just added a teaspoon of soy sauce and 2 minced cloves of garlic. And I want to add a tablespoon of Shaoxing rice wine. Use a chopstick, give this a quick stir. My water has reached the boil, so I'm ready to put my noodles on. Noodles, I have 250 grams. Just going to drop those in. And while my noodles are cooking, I'm going to get my wok heating up. And I just want a little bit of oil on the bottom of the pan. My wok's good and hot, so it's time to add the pork. And just cook this for about 4 minutes or so, just until it's cooked through. So I just have a couple more ingredients now to go into the pork, and that is, I have some here, a teaspoon of Szechuan pepper, so in that goes, and I also want just half a teaspoon of spice powder. Perfect. Give that a quick stir. So while that's cooking away, I'm just going to get on with some garnishes for my... So I want some green purple scallion to sprinkle over the top. And I have some pak choy here as well. Now my noodles are almost cooked. I am just going to drop that into the pan with the noodles and let it cook alongside just before I drain it. As soon as everything's wilted and tender, I can drain that. And my pork is almost done. And it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. So my pork can come off. Yes, I think our noodles are good to go as well. So just drain my noodles and pak choy. That's it, we're almost there. So it really now at this point is just an assembly job. So I want to add some of my sauce. It's enough here for 2 portions. So I want to add half of that to the bottom of a bowl. And I want to add noodles. Lots of noodles. Want some of my greens. And then some of my pork. A big bowl. Add some of the chopped scallions, the green parts, and then just finish it all off, sprinkling of sesame seeds. And I'm ready to eat, so it just needs to be stirred through. Ready to go. It is very spicy, but very good.